Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of these resistance bands, and they're a 4-pack. And I'll tell you, the reason I bought these is because I travel a lot and they're so versatile. You can get in so many different workouts, literally a full body workout with these bands. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you see exactly what you get. Get a little user guide right in here. I'll put that down. I really like the fact that it comes with a carrying case with a tie right here, so you have a place to put them all. And then you have your 4 different bands here as well. So you have your yellow band, which is obviously the lightest, the thinnest band. You have your red that's going to be a little bit more resistance. Then of course your black, and then your purple. I'm going to open this one up here, the purple. And when you travel, it's so easy to take these with you, and then you can do a workout right inside of your own hotel room, at the park, a lot of different options. So here's the actual band right here. And the reason I got these, I was traveling and somebody I ran into was using these in the actual gym, and I really, really like them. You know, from here you can put them behind you here and you can do push-ups. You can literally hold just one here like this, and you can work shoulders depending on where you grab it. You can work your hips, you can work your behind, you can literally work the entire body. What I really like is to stand in the center here and then hold on and work on curls. And then, man, there's, like I said, you can do literally any type of workout. And the reason I got this exact one is because of the high quality. I've seen other ones that really rip pretty easy and they're not strong, and these things are definitely strong. They're gonna be able to handle whatever you're gonna put them through. So overall, really happy with these and looking forward to putting them to use quickly.